am going to take a bite out of a habanero.
Who talked you into that?
Videos.
Better you than me.
Okay, let's see.
Well, no, half a bite. You can chew it up.
I'm just gonna do a bite.
Not a small bite. It's gotta be a big bite.
Here.
That's good enough. And then chew it, and then you go. You can.
You keep drinking milk. So you gonna eat that? You gonna take the whole thing?
I can drink milk for 1 minute.
1 minute? Okay.
Yeah, I don't blame you. It's a big drink of milk. That helps. There's a glass of milk up there. That helps it.
I never realized how much it still burns. Oh, where's my right cheek?
Good. Matthew, you gonna take a bite?
No.
Matthew's actually smart. Don't rub your eyeballs with that.
You ain't doing that, are you?
My eyeballs.
Matt,
You gotta wash
you're
your.
not gonna do that, are you? Yucky. Come on, I'm smarter than that.
Oh.
You're at a minute. So
What?
you made a minute.
Oh God.